Supply chains. Billions of products crossing the globe to reach billions of people every day. Lifelines that we depend on, tested like never before. But when the pandemic struck, the world's supply chains had to adapt instantly. Moving into uncertainty to meet urgent new demands, the model needed to change. Supply chains built for efficiency and speed, lacking the flexibility and resilience to respond to complexity. The supply chains of today must respond to the needs of every individual, serving segments of one, not markets of millions. They need to be transparent and responsible, doing what's right for the planet. They need to be made intelligent. At Accenture, we harness real-time data flows from multiple sources to predict what will happen and when, overcoming uncertainty through human ingenuity and autonomous machines working in harmony. Everything and everyone connected all the time. We're supporting the world's leading companies to speed change. And to do this, we've evolved and converged, orchestrating our services, industry, and ecosystem partners to a cohesive whole, to create a powerful end-to-end service that accelerates time to value for our clients, rebuilding supply chains for today's demands and tomorrow's opportunities. We take control of complexity to make a positive impact on businesses, customers, society, and the planet. This is Accenture's Intelligent Supply Chain.